Post-Pahalgam massacre, Congress has begun its dirty politics. While condemning the attack, the Congress Working Committee resolution approved today also took the opportunity to criticize BJP, accusing it of exploiting the tragedy and creating divisions in society. Significantly, one of the Congress ministers in Karnataka, in a bizarre statement, has also raised doubts over the role of an insider in the army for the horrific event. While Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's first reaction yesterday after the Pahalgam massacre was to avoid politics and blame game and stand together in the hour of crisis, his very own party is back to its dirty politics. Informing about CWC's resolution condemning the Pahalgam terror attack, Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal in a press conference today started the worst of blame game, holding the security labs responsible for the incident, even calling it an indigenous failure. Venugopal went to the extent of accusing the BJP of dividing society post the Pahalgam massacre. This when a senior party leader and a home minister in Congress ruled Karnataka, G. Parmeshwara, has even put a question mark on the army, not ruling out the role of an insider within defense forces in aid of terrorists. G. Parmeshwara said the government should check if any insiders helped these terrorists, including people in the army. We don't know if the center reduced military presence as there was peace. I'm not saying BJP or the government is a failure. During such times, we should be above party. Parmeshwara said India has a strong military intelligence network and the agencies have done a great job earlier. Now, why did the intelligence fail? How did these terrorists come there? Even Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's very own son and Karnataka IT Minister Priyank Kharge has started the blame game, asserting that it was a complete intelligence failure. As a lip service to the victims, Congress even announced to hold a candlelight vigil tomorrow all over the country in solidarity with the families who have suffered at the hands of terrorists. But that grand old party has always believed in candlelight vigils. Even when in power, they have failed to take decisive action and have a history of being soft towards terror.